Hi everyone, Crystal back again with a video. I'm going to be sharing a project that I completed for craftpurge Toni's giveaway. She's doing a giveaway on her channel. I will link the video for you guys down below if you are interested in participating. I think you have until March 8th, I think, is when you need to submit your entries by. But it's pretty easy. You just have to turn in 2 handmade embellishments. It could be any handmade embellishment, as long as it's 2. And then if you send in 10 die cuts, I think it's an extra entry. And then I think if you do a video response, I'm not really sure. I can't remember. But anyways, I wanted to share with you guys what I created for my entry. And so here is what I created. Let me just prop you guys up just a little bit, but not enough to see my messy dust. So I created this embellishment book, and I followed Bona's tutorial. And Bona is Live, Love, Scrap here on YouTube, and she is super duper talented, and she inspires me like all the time. So I wanted to follow her tutorial, and of course I had to use Maggie Holmes' Chasing Dreams collection, and I used some flourish, and I used some bloom, maybe, I can't remember. But this is the front, and it's so super cute. I love how it turned out. I'm using a frame here in the back that I put some different like designer paper that you could barely see, but it is peeking through back there. And then I also used some flourish embellishments here. I believe this is from Chasing Dreams. These like chipboard pieces, I'm not sure. And then I used this Chasing Dreams girl, which she's super cute. I put a bow in her hair, and then layered this chipboard piece, cut this like edge trim with that Michael's foil paper. And so I put that there. I used this piece from the collection. It says Plant Kindness Grow Love, and I sewed around the edge to give it a different look. And then I sewed this paper back here, rounded the corners. Pretty simple, but I layered the heck out of it. And then it opens up like this, and I put my embellishments in these pockets. Again, Bona's tutorial is super thorough, so it will show all the like the instructions on how to create this, but it's so super easy. And so I just layered a doily here. I wanted the front of these pockets to be decorated, and this one just says "You are beautiful" with some like bling trim here. And then I sewed this butterfly onto this, like, what is this called, primitive heart. And then I added some enamel dots, some Chasing Dream butterflies here, and then I did some butterflies here and here, same thing, just on opposite sides. And then this one says "Be happy, you are the best, one of a kind." But I did like banner type embellishments. I made my own, and then I just layered different ones and sewed this one, and then here I used like this leather faux trim from Hobby Lobby, the same with this one. But yeah, it's super cute. Let me share with you guys some of the embellishments that I made for her. So this is the first one, and it's like a shaker mason jar. It says "Love, Love, Love," and then it has like different sequins. And then I put some flowers there with some twine and a bow. But this one I stitched it in these like individual pockets, clear pockets, just because it makes it super cute. And then this one is one of those like what do you call those, ribbon Maggie Holmes like ribbon inspired embellishments with butterflies, and I sewed this one as well. And then this one is just a coin that says "Smile" with this super cute bird and some bling enamel dots. Sorry for the glare. And then this bow on top of the house, like I put like a gold house back there. So super cute. I love how that one turned out as well. And then this one's kind of the same thing. I just used, just made a different one here. So cute. I just stitched along that ephemera piece as hello darling. This, I added this like sticker here, this bow. I added this more of that trim at the bottom, but I just layered and layered and layered and layered. And then this one is another mason jar. So cute. I wanted to bring out the blues in this paper, so I added this blue, like, it looks like a butterfly to me. And then I did some white flowers in the corner. It says from the heart. And then another one of those prize medallion things. So yeah, these are super cute. And then for my die cuts, I gave her these die cuts here. So I just gave her some flowers that I stamped and embossed, but like different pastel colors. She can add her own leaves. I wasn't sure what leaves she wanted to use, but I did gift her some of those. I gifted her some of these. These are like pockets that she can put together. She just has to cover the flap there, and then she can either put gift cards, a note, whatever. But I used bloom papers for that. And then these are just some of those like hearts and circles, and in that gold foil, Michael's foil. And then this one are like bag toppers, and this is a magnolia bag topper, magnolia heart bag topper. So I shared those, and I think these are chasing dreams maybe, and some bloom, but I cut them out with some scraps. And then down here I just have some gifts. These you can use as flower centers, and I just love these. These are from Hobby Lobby. But yeah, she can use these in the middle of flowers, or she can put them like peeking through stuff. But I thought I would share some of that. And then this is one of my favorite Jolie like bling pieces, and I again love this, love it, love it, love it. So I thought I would share some of that with her. And so yeah, that is my entry to Toni's giveaway. I hope you guys like what I created, and I will link Bona's tutorial for you guys down below, as well as Toni's challenge giveaway. All right guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.